In my lab, I used a volleyball and just a flat surface. To set my scale, I first used a ruler to measure out how far I would roll the ball from one point to the other. That went out to be 5-6 feet. Then after that, I uploaded the video to the video analysis and used that scale, which came out to be 1500 px, which was about 1 meter. During the course of the lab, I faced quite a couple issues and problems. For example, the first one I faced was when trying to upload the video. I could not upload it due to the fact that the quality was too high, so I had to film it again, and I fixed that problem by making the video a lower quality. The second issue I faced was that after I got it uploaded, the self-tracker wouldn't work. It kept saying it lost the object. So after 5-6 tries of re-uploading my video, I finally did manual tracking, and I tracked it myself, which leads to another problem. I had to refilm and upload several different videos 3 times each. When I first set up my graphs, my points for my velocity graph were kind of all over the place. They weren't in a linear shape like how most of the peers got them, because I asked around. And so that led me to another problem. I refilmed again, and I redid the tracking points manually. Sources of error that I believe affected my graph was that when the tracker was tracking, it tracked a couple points 2-3 times each. Another source of error that I think affected my graphs were, for half of the points I had to do self-tracking, and then the other half it did auto-tracking. Specifically on my video, there was no acceleration, so it was kind of a constant speed the whole time. This lab did help me a little bit, but I'm still super confused on how to read the graphs and create the equations from the graph. I think I was a little more focused on trying to get my video to upload correctly, and I wasn't really taking the time to actually think it through.